In this video, celebrity makeup artist Mauve will put her Mulberry Halo on. She'll show us how fast and easy it is to transform your short hair into long, luscious locks, with no clips, no glue, and most importantly, no damage. Start by sectioning your hair half an inch away from the hairline. Follow the part to the back of your head, clip your hair up and away. Be sure to leave your front layers out, as Mauve has done here. Color match the ends of your hair because that's what you see when you put the halo on. Place the wire half an inch away from the hairline. The halo sits beneath the occipital bone located at the back of your head, holding the halo securely in place. Unclip your hair and brush over the wire. Use the tail end of the comb to remove any large pieces of hair that may be caught beneath the wire, and brush over. Repeat the same steps to the other side. And there you have it. Transform your hair in seconds. Mauve is wearing the 18-inch Classic Halo in Mackenzie. If you prefer something a little less glam, then opt for either the 14-inch or 16-inch options.